Hello guys, welcome all. Today we are going to discuss about how to pass the AWS Solution Architect Associate exam. In the cloud environment, AWS Solution Architect certification is one of the main requirement for the career growth. So recently I have passed Solution Architect Associate exam, and I'm going to share some of my experience, how I have prepared for this exam, and how I have uh, conquered that certificate. So today I'm going to go through how to prepare for the exam and how to register for the exam and quiz, various others. So, um, first of all, thank you for watching this video, and I'm eager to give the details. Hope the information will be informative for you. So, first of all, for registering the exam, we need to know some of the details beforehand. So how long the exam will be, and what is the cost of the exam, and how many questions. So in the AWS portal, you can see all this information where I have highlighted, which says 130 minutes is the exam duration and 150 US dollar for registering the exam for the certification, and the total number of questions is about 65. So if you click on schedule an exam, it will take you to the person view page where you need to create the AWS Skill Builder ID for the exam. Make sure that your first name, last name, all the details should be mentioned accurately as per your identity card, example passport. Okay. So this information where you can find means go to this link aws.amazon.com/certification certified solution architect associate. There you will find the page. So in the second page, you will see download exam guide. If you click on this page, you will get PDF file, which is about 23 pages. So this 23 pages information is very useful for the solution architect exam preparation. So what is the pattern of the exam, and what all the AWS services are covered here. We need to have some cloud experience before go to this exam. In this hide, they have mentioned how the exam pattern will be multiple choice, multiple response, and single choice, etc. So how they announce the exam result for out of 1,000, 720 is the passing score. And from my knowledge and from my experience, I see this exam is tough. So I have spent enough time, and I took 2 to 3 months to prepare for this course, and I have studied well, and I have appeared for the exam, and I'm able to pass the examination. Okay, so here they have given the exam syllabus with the 4 domain. How much percentage of marks will be allocated for each domain, that you will see it here. I will give the link in the description so that you can open the link and go through the guides very carefully, and it will be more helpful for you to prepare for the examination. Yeah. So here all the informations are given in details, And in the last page, you can see what all the AWS services will come under the scope of the exam. So, as you see here, compute, cost management, database, disaster recovery, and etc. There's so many services. So, in the services, we can go through which component, and by using different components, how to um design a secure, resilient, and cost-effective architecture. So you can go through these notes, and this will be more helpful. Yeah. And let me go back to my slide. So in the next slide, it mentioned that AWS Well Architecture Framework, which is a six-pillar where we need to concentrate on this area, and how to design secure, resilient, high-performing, cost-effective architecture. How to prepare for the exam. Before preparing for the exam, we need to study the course very well. So there are free courses available in skill builders, and many institutions are teaching for solution architect associate exam. And there are some paid courses also available in AWS Skill Builder. So from my experience, I have seen the AWS Skill Builder is one of the best website where it has a good amount of material, and it will be helpful for you to pass the examination. Yeah. So you can log into the AWS Skill Builder, and you can create your ID with free of cost. And there are many materials available for free of cost, and some of them are available with the subscription. So the subscription fee, you can go through this website, monthly or yearly subscription. Okay. So I have referred many materials for the AWS Solution Architect. So these materials are very simple and effective, and help me a lot to understand the concept. And I have purchased some courses from the Udemy as well. So I have utilized the offers in the Udemy and purchased the courses along with the quiz. So there are some popular tutors available in the Udemy who is teaching the online courses. Stephanie Mark and Neil Davis, John Bosso from Tutorial Dojo. So you can purchase these materials, and you can explore for more courses and quizzes as per your requirement. These are the courses I have purchased, and let me take you to the Udemy portal. So this Udemy portal from the Stephen Mark uh, course. There are very good materials where we can go through the concept individually, and at the end of each chapter, there are quizzes available. It's interactive. You spend a good amount of time to go through the courses and try to understand the concept, take some notes, keep it for you. And not only going through these things will fulfill to appear for the exam. There are other materials also available where I have referred digital cloud training cheat sheets. So these materials are very much helpful for me to attend the exam and understand the concept before go to the exam. So in paid courses, there are some practice labs from Skill Builder, Digital Cloud Portal from Neil Davis. And you can have a free account in the AWS console, and carefully assessing what all the services comes under a free tier, and try to understand and practice as much as possible. But for the exam, only theory will be asked with different scenario-based questions. So, how are you going to use different AWS services to deliver a successful uh, architecture or successful environment per requirement? And in Skill Builder, there are cloud-based games are available. You can practice how to uh, use those AWS services and all. Also, you can refer the flashcards and terms you can go through. And if you're confident and if you get the score about 80%, then you go for the examination. Okay. So apart from terms, it is added advantage if you go through the AWS documentations, which will be very helpful. They have broadly explained much of the concept in deep, so that I can go through. And there are AWS white papers are available, and go through the FAQs for the list of services comes under the Solution Architect Associate scope. And yeah, please prepare for the exam very well and attend the exam with more confidence. Yeah. So good luck for the exam. I hope I have shared some of the information which will help you to pass the examination. And yeah, so I had completed the examination and received this email confirmation. Then in my examination account, yeah, I can see the certificates. So previously I have completed the cloud practitioners, which was very helpful to understand the basic concept uh, and the AWS environment uh, at a high level. Yeah. So also you can share the certificates in the Gridly, then post it in the LinkedIn. Uh, yeah, these are the information pretty much good, and hope it will be more useful for you. And yeah, best of luck for the exam. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.